What is your problem?
Can I see the camera?
Hey?
Can I see the camera?
Ride it long, the champ. Turning. Wow. Trying to sneak up, that's why you got to check, mate. You're right, you'll get through. What is it with you and me? Let's go. Good, make sure you stay within your lines there. Oh! F***ing hell! Good, make sure you stay within your lines there. Oh! Hell! Oh, that's not even a... I wish that was a copper. Slow. Into two. This guy's an absolute idiot. So he's doing the completely wrong thing there and blocking a main road. You idiot! F***ing hell! Oh! Look, we're doing 60 and they're leaving us. Oh, without an indicator. Bloody hell. A couple of reasons. See these idiots? Now, he doesn't want to be in that lane. See what he's trying to do?
He's trying to click the car.
Yeah, so that's what you've got to look for. Now she's parked in the middle of the intersection, blocking it because she doesn't want to be in that lane or she needs to go somewhere. What an absolute idiot. Not going to hit him. That's, and again, watch the bin. See, what the hell is this? How much road do you need? Person here. Slow right down, mate. That's highly dangerous and illegal. Especially while we're still driving. He's meant to stop. And it's an RNCQ vehicle inspector. Oh, you idiot. Oh! Council. See, they're going to cut the corner. Look at that. Don't you love people like that? Oh, what a hero. Nice turn there, mate. Unbelievable.
He's over the line, or at the stop line. And now he decides to go.
Oh, we got a race, Mazda. That was a funky setup. Oh, what a dipshit. Go, mate. See you at the red light. Oh, look at him. Her, whoever. What a moron. All right, let's see what idiocy we get here, guys. Oh, it's on. Off he goes. Oh, the golf. I bet you're going to do something stupid. Oh, you're all stupid. Really?